Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art and you are here to draw with us today.
Ooh.
And I have with me
Jacob Dominguez.
And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
You're 11 now.
Turning 12 in December.
Ooh, nice. So we are doing a robot. And you know what's fun is that we're gonna make it our own. So here's a few examples of what we're doing. And we are doing something different. I'm so excited to show you all. These are oil pastels, but they're not just regular oil pastels. They're neon. They're bright colors. And so you'll see the paper we're using is black. Isn't that awesome? So we're gonna color on top of black paper. Now, if you don't have black, I wanna show you, you can still use your watercolor or your white paper and it'll still look really bright. It's cool. So you can use either one. Now, the first thing we wanna do before we get started is let's do our motto. So raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Wow.
And we're gonna be super creative today because we're gonna be drawing together. Now, let's introduce Keenan, who is our cameraman, who you'll hear him in the background, maybe making some robot noises.
Hello.
So
Jacob,
good.
thank you.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is pick any color for your robot. What color? You go first.
I'm gonna have to go with red.
Red. Okay, I'll do green. So pick a color. Now we're gonna start with building our robot. So draw your head up in the top half of it. You can do a square, you can do a rectangle, you can do a circle.
Anything?
Anything.
Okay.
We're gonna have fun together. So you get to make any shape. You're gonna draw your head. Now these are like crayons. So you're gonna press hard and you just draw.
Okay, so
Use your imagination. Yeah? What's coming to you? Do you have an image of what you want your robot to look like?
A robot. No. Not really, no. I think I'm gonna do square head.
Do it. So then if you want a thicker line, you're just gonna make it a little bit thicker like that. So we do it in the top because we're gonna do the body down here. Now, I don't know if some people draw a little bit smaller, so draw a good size and then we're gonna draw the body even bigger. So the body of your robot. Now, some robots, I'm trying to think of different robots that maybe you've seen. Wally's a robot.
Wally is a robot. He's got a small head and a big body.
Yeah, so is it similar?
But he has tracks instead of legs.
Oh, that's fun.
That would be a cool one to
So
do.
there's different ones we can do. So you're gonna draw a bigger body. Now you can change colors if you want to change colors, but we're just drawing with simple shapes. So draw another shape. Oh yeah, you're gonna mix up colors.
Yellow.
Ooh, that'd be fun. I kind of want to mix up colors. So just draw your body of your robot. And Keenan was saying, I don't know if some of you kids or even adults, I don't know if they had it as adults, but did robotics. It's a program sometimes at some schools where you get to build and do things.
I mean,
Ooh, are you gonna make yours go in?
Yeah.
I love that.
I would say that if you liked it as a child, you turned it into a job as an adult.
I think I'm gonna make it like a Star Wars one. You know?
Love it.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, now the arms and the legs. So like Keenan was saying, maybe they're, what'd you say, tracks? Well,
Tracks.
these are tracks. Oh yeah, because
Yeah.
they're like that. Or you can just draw really simple ones. So you're gonna just add some arms. So make sure to do the neck too, however it's connected. So maybe it's connected somehow.
Red again.
So do your, here, you take it. So do your neck.
This is like green.
Yeah. They're fun, it's highlighter. So neck, and then maybe arms. I'm gonna do an arm that's waving.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do a red around it like you did.
Yeah, because what are robots are made of metal.
So some of the facts I've seen
Yeah.
are the term robot comes from the Czech word robota. That means drudgery or hard work.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool. I didn't know that.
Robot machine is a robot machine is a machine that is designed to do tasks without the help of a person. All right?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, can you draw yours over here so they can see how cool yours looks?
Sorry.
Oh yeah, we gotta be able to see that.
Yeah.
I want to see your arms.
Ooh, I love it. Okay, sweet. So, do you want to tell them what you did?
So I will tell you everything. So I did the square head with like that little cranky neck.
Oh, that's a, yep.
Yeah, and I did like this down body, like it's up, and I pointed it down so it looks ripped. Then I did the buff arm so it looks strong.
Yeah.
And like the skeleton like she did.
Yeah.
The skeleton hands.
And then this is my favorite part.
Yeah, I did the wheels on him so he could like with the wheels.
Yeah.
Nice.
So isn't it fun to see how different everyone's is? Okay, so now we're gonna keep moving and grooving. Let's do the face. So we also have jelly rolls.
I'm gonna do the yellow.
Okay, so you can use your jelly roll, or if you want to use your markers, you can, or your oil pastels, you can still do that. But I want you to draw eyes and a mouth. So
These pens look cool. Like
yeah,
that.
right? Not fun?
Yeah.
So obviously there's different ways to do eyes. You can do them more cartoon-like if you like, or you can just do a circle and a little dot. Up to you. But I want you to draw 2 eyes. Actually, robots, I was gonna say just, I'm thinking of aliens that have one eye, but
They could have one eye. Maybe they started with one eye.
if you
Mike
want.
Maybe the machine. Maybe they.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking of Mike was asking. Maybe what?
Maybe they only could power one eye when they first started making robots.
I'm thinking.
Yeah, so draw an eye. I'm just gonna make mine simple.
Should I make mine like Matt since he's like buff?
Ooh, yeah.
Like
So draw an eyeballs.
So the first robot ever made, actually.
Oh yeah.
Since we're talking about, since we're doing our first robots in honor of, this date is way back then. So the first known industrial robot dates back to 1937.
Oh wow.
When Griffith P. Taylor built his crane-like device. Taylor's robot was comprised of mostly mechanical parts and was powered by a single electric motor with 5 axes of movement. Which is
Wow.
pretty cool.
Yeah. Versus just one going straight, you're saying?
Yeah, so
He can go
one
in
like
different
this, he can go
directions.
sideways.
I think of
He could probably spin.
Cool. That's epic. I love that. So with your jelly rolls, you're gonna do your eyes, and then what kind of mouth are you gonna do?
I don't know, probably like a
It might not
creepy
even.
mouth.
Yeah, do it. Say it does. Might not even need a mouth, but you're gonna do that, and then you're going to draw the inside. So I'm just gonna show you some examples while Jacob's doing that. There are so many different gadgets, and I kind of did just what my imagination saw. So maybe it's different parts, and there's buttons. Maybe you draw a heart inside of it. This kind of reminded me of like vents I was thinking of a robot, but just the different ripple parts of it.
Yeah, so like it can breathe, have
Yeah.
airflow.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a computer, because a robot's
Yeah.
a computer, it's got to have airflow.
true.
Yeah.
So you can use something like that, or it made me think of different meters. I'm trying to think. We can give them other ideas as we come up with it.
Well, if we think about a robot like a computer,
Yeah.
then we can probably start to draw each individual component,
Okay.
which would be a lot of fun. So you need fans on there, because inside there, the computers are going
fan,
to require
okay.
a lot of. Well, they create a lot of heat, so they're going to need some way to cool off. So a cool way to cool off computers is liquid cooling. So you could draw tubes going around inside its chest,
Oh,
Right?
okay, I
And-
drew the fan.
Okay, so that fan would be blowing across the tubes, for example. Or it's a pump.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm gonna stick with that.
nice.
I don't know where to draw the tube, but
That's one fan. Then you have a fan in the back.
okay, cool.
Boom, there you go.
So oh yes. So then you can either use the jelly rolls or the oil pastels to draw the little
So
gadgets.
like a bolt in there.
Ooh, yeah, do
for
it.
his tongue.
I like that. Okay, so you're saying tubes, Keenan.
Yeah, tubes.
Like coming out from here?
Yeah, because also
Oh,
if you're moving,
That's
if
fueling
these
it?
robots, yeah, there you go.
okay.
If these robots have
Like that.
hydraulics,
Uh-huh.
more tubes, more liquid in them, they've got to be able to pump hydraulic liquid.
Okay.
So that could be on the exterior though. That could be attached on their shoulders
Oh,
even. Like just like small lines, yeah. Like a circle. Well, it's got to attach to both sides.
I think I should draw like tubes in the back.
That's a warning light. That's not exactly.
Okay.
Have you? I'm not sure if you
just
know
gonna draw
what I'm saying.
It's
Okay.
a tube.
Yeah.
It's just a long tube, but we just see the front.
That is.
So yeah, draw whatever you want to draw on your inside for gadgets. Here's some ideas. Let's bring this closer so people can see.
I think I'm gonna draw like tubes in the back of mine, like.
Yeah, what Keenan say? You do it. I'm sure
Yeah,
you
could
can.
do tubes.
But I'm gonna do it with the oil pastel.
Okay, do it. Yes, you can mix things up. I want my guy to have a heart.
Here's your heart could be a display screen
Ooh.
showing off, its health levels if it's cool or cold.
Okay. A screen.
You can have a calendar on there that says like maintenance dates that needs to be followed.
Was that what you meant?
Yeah, there you go.
That's epic.
Yeah, they're your cooling lines.
Whoa. Oh yeah, you can use the jelly roll if you want to write something. So you can say today's date. Is that what you're saying?
You could say, today I don't feel like doing anything. Nothing at all.
Ooh, I'm gonna do something down here too, like.
Cool. I'm gonna do today I like, and then it's gonna be a blank line.
You could put cheese.
So then every day it'll put something different.
Oh, cool.
So it's another screen. So you can see there's so many different things with your robot that you can make and be creative with. Okay. Then I want to show you as we're doing this. So I might do something else right here, but there are other things that you can add. So these are the two examples. I thought of how there's lights on some robots. Maybe they really light up. The neon yellow jelly roll would be really cool for that. So you're just gonna have fun and add more decorations. You can add a speech bubble if your robot's saying something. So that is epic. So you're just gonna have fun and we're gonna draw together. Okay, so we added a lot. You can see Jacob added some abs. I added a lot of different gadgets. So like I said, you can add some lights on the top. And you can see, oh, you got it. So you can see, let me show all of them to top cam, how unique each of these are. So we want to see what you make. So we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Projects. Here, we'll show ours up while we're talking. We have a Facebook group. We have an Instagram. Please share us. Tell us. We were trying to figure out names. Did you come up with a name for yours?
I don't know.
It'll come to you. So you can share your name with us. You can be creative again. And always remember that you're brave, kind, and so creative. And I hope you have fun with these neon oil pastels. Wait, we got one more fun surprise.
Sweet.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wrong way. Whoa! Wait, hold yours up a little bit more. Look. So these are, like we said, are glow in the dark. Let me hold it up this way. So this is a black light that you can get. Wow.
Cool.
Cool.
That looks cool.
So
Wait, get
so
a
much.
picture of the feet.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
sweet.
Epic. Good job. So this was so much fun. Thank you for creating with us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.